Welcome to another review video. So in today's video, I will be unboxing and reviewing two flagship rugged smartwatches by a company called Amazwear Technology. The watches are Kospet Tank T3 and Kospet Tank T3 Ultra, and they are the successors to the famous Kospet Tank T2. I have been using and testing these smartwatches for a couple of days now, and I can say I have been very impressed with the solid build quality and the user experience I have had so far. These watches are truly built like a tank, like the name suggests. But before I talk about the specifications, the cool features, and my user experience with these rugged smartwatches, and why they will be my new daily driver henceforth, let's do the unboxing first. That is not bad unboxing experience. As you guys can see, there is the main cool looking watch, the removable rubber strap which are easy to attach or detach, the magnetic charger, the manual. You also get a screen protector, which is a thoughtful addition. Now let's talk about specifications. Kospet Tank T3 Ultra has a 1.43-inch AMOLED display with a 466 by 466 display resolution, which gets very bright, especially outdoor. And it is protected by a Gorilla Glass, a Hi-Fi Bluetooth calling, a 470 mAh battery that will last for days on a single charge, a removable 22mm strap, while the Kospet Tank T3 features a 1.43-inch AMOLED display with a 466 by 466 display resolution and a 500 mAh battery. Both smartwatches have special features, but the Ultra version, as expected, has more features than the ordinary version. Both smartwatches have special features such as altimeter, barometer, heart rate monitor, SP02 for blood oxygen, women's health, and so on. However, the Tank 3 has compass built in, but the Tank 3 doesn't have compass. I will do full feature and spec comparison of the two smartwatches soon to see how they are different. The link to it will be in the description below. Just make sure you subscribe so you won't miss when the video drops. However, there is over 130 sport mode feature in the two watches. You will be able to monitor your workout activities such as outdoor run, outdoor and indoor cycling, swimming, because both smartwatches have been certified to 5 ATM standards. What this means is that the watches are water resistant to up to 50 meters in depth for 10 minutes, which is pretty cool. You can also customize the sport activities or add more exercise that you do often in the sport mode. You can also add extreme sport because the watch is solidly built to withstand tough conditions, such as rock climbing, mountain biking, snowboarding, and deep sea diving. This way, you can track your performance and progress in these activities as well. The built-in GPS and heart rate monitor will provide accurate data for your extreme sports, giving you a comprehensive picture of your fitness level. With the durable construction of the watch, you can confidently take on any challenge without worrying about damaging your device. Whether you're an avid runner, a CrossFit enthusiast, or a thrill seeker, the sport mode of the watch can be tailored to your specific needs and interests, providing you with the best possible tracking and analysis for your workouts. Despite the rugged build, it still looks pretty nice. This wristwatch ticks every box for me personally, especially the Tank 3 Ultra, and because I do a lot of water-related sport, this is going to be my new daily driver. Also, most of the monitoring features are very accurate, which is a plus. You can also monitor everything on the Kospet app that is available on Play Store or the Apple App Store after pairing your watch to the app. So, in conclusion, if you are looking for a good budget rugged smartwatch that ticks a lot of boxes such as sleep and fitness tracking, exercise monitoring, shared notifications, music playback from a paired phone and so on, but you are on a tight budget, then you should really give Kospet Tank T3 or Tank T3 Ultra a consideration. By the way, as part of launch deal for these smartwatches, you can get them at a discount. I will put the links in the description below. It's a limited time offer, especially if you are in North America, so you have to check them out as soon as possible. And like I said earlier, I will be doing a full feature comparison video of the two smartwatches soon, and you may also see some durability tests in the future. All links will be in the description below, so don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Like this video and leave a comment if you have any question. I will do my best to answer them. And please watch our other videos.